way, right?
Yeah, I see him.
Ship fire! Ship fire!
Ship fire confirmed!
All right, ship fire confirmed! GRP2!
Shoot!
Go! There you go. Now we're talking. 1, 2, 3. Reset right! Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just stand fire! Just stand fire! Restart right!
Sinville, throw that bag up here. Sinville, come on.
Hey, stop shooting first and shoot fucking semi!
Hey, friendly's on the road! Friendly's on the road!
You're shooting at us! You guys can't be here! We're in the middle of training! Back up. Frames down from there.
You went down, good hit.
Hey, Brad, you got one in.
Hey, just keep aiming. Back to the truck.
Let's go, let's go, let's go. Target down, Almond, or what?
Target down.
All right, hey.
My shift is gonna be at 1.
That's gonna be. Go 2, CRP 3 and 4.
Go.
320.
There you go.
Door.
Open up!
320.
Hey, the bunker's to the left.
320 out.
Utilize your 320.
Should be.
It's still fucking target. Alright.
That was one.
Middle.
I can't see shit.
Double. Left.
Close, maybe 2. Lower. Little left.
On the bottom, right. Trail. 30 seconds left. A little up. Down. You're like right by it. All right, remember. All right, put it on safe. Did it hit it? He got it?
Kill that boat! Lower! Fire! Let it rip! Slow down! Steady, stick! All right, what do you got?